Hello everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to make money on Flip app. So let's get started. First of all, if you did not know, you can actually make money on the Flip app. Now there are two main ways with which you can make money on Flip app. One of them is by selling your own products or by getting paid for the views you get on your videos. So first of all, if you're trying to make money with your views, when you post a video you will earn money for the first 30 days and you make around $50 to $25 per 1,000 views. And also if someone buys your product through your flip videos, you will get a small commission of about 5 to 15% on every purchase. Now the catch over here is that you can only list those products which you have purchased from the Flip app. This is a way of making sure that your reviews are authentic. So Flip is an app where you post product reviews and you also make content around your product. There is also another feature in Flip which is a discount credit. So the more videos you watch on the Flip app, the more discount credit you get, and when you finally buy your first product on Flip app, you will get a big discount. So Flip is different from TikTok in a way that it only allows you to review products that you have purchased from Flip so that people can actually trust your reviews. Many creators are earning from $500 to $1,000 a month, so if you stay consistent you can make that money as well. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.